Convert scanned or image to editable text without using any software.
So what's up guys, welcome to my channel again. So this is Kuyomar channel. So if you haven't yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, you can click the subscribe button and notification bell button to be updated to my latest video. And you can also comment to furthermore improve our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to make this kind of image convert into an editable text. So first we open the Word, okay, then copy and then paste on Word, and then after that we're going to save as a PDF. Okay, so since we already have a kind of PDF file, so we're going to convert it into editable text file. So this is a pro tips in order to view easily, not to do some kind of encode. So it approximately take your time. So okay, let's just open with, choose another app. So we're going to open it by Word. Okay, then click OK, and then OK, and then that's it. Then it's not absolutely 100% okay, so but that's it. So we have already a editable text image, so you can edit that. Okay, thank you for watching and hopefully see you in my next video. Okay, thank you so much for watching.